Welcome to Warr Dental. I'm Dr. Keith Warr. So as far as what makes Warr Dental different, I think for us it's the high standard that we set for ourselves as far as our clinical excellence and our focus on outstanding customer care. We train our team to be able to have an understanding of what's important to the patient. I really believe that we can change the lives of our patients. We've seen patients continue to transform the way they feel about themselves, the way they feel about their smile, their confidence in their smile, and we do that by utilizing the best that dentistry has to offer.